Best short haircut for women that will change your life forever. Are you tired of your long hair weighing you down? Looking for a fresh new look that will change your life forever? Look no further than the best short haircut for women. Short hair is not only trendy and stylish, but it can also be incredibly freeing. Say goodbye to our styling and maintenance and hello to a low maintenance look that will still turn heads. Whether you are a silk rob, a chic pixie cut, or a trendy look, the best short haircut for women is sure to enhance your feature and boost your confidence. Short hair is versatile and can be styled in endless ways to suit your mood and personality. From a sleek and sophisticated to a bold, the possibilities are endless with a short haircut. Not only will a short haircut save your time and energy, but it can be also make a statement and show off your unique sense of style. So why wait? Take that plunge and try the best short haircut for women today. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, inspiration and tips. If you like our hair transformation like this one, short hair transformation, subscribe to the channel for next update. Thank you very much and enjoy this video and watch our playlist, snack and travel. Thank you very much guys.